Good morning, everybody. I don't know where I'm supposed to be looking. I got it the other way here. Happy day after Boxing Day. I hope you guys had an amazing Christmas, and I'm hopping on in. I've been drawn to, for about a week now, do a full auric repair for us. I see someone on here. Good morning. These are how many, it is my mom and someone else. These are how many crystals we will be using in this healing session today. And all the crystals are here. I kind of put them, I changed the screen around so you could somewhat see them. So good morning, everyone. Sorry, Krista and I have not been on for a couple of days. Laverne is so excited she found this. Yes, I'm so excited too, Laverne, and I'm so glad you're here. I don't know. We'll maybe do like ask our question a couple times this morning, and then if you want, you can do finish the 30-day question on your own, or like in your head as you receive this healing, because we're gonna also listen to a guided meditation as we receive this healing energy this morning. So if you guys want, feel free to get comfy and relaxed, and I'll give you a moment, and then I'll kind of go over real quick what crystals, like how the crystals are going to work out. And I see Erin on here. Good morning. We're going to do a healing session here in a little bit. And I guess while you're getting ready and relaxed, let's just ask our question a few times, since that is really what we're here for. Good morning, good morning. So what must I also perceive, know, be, and receive that would allow me to be greater than I was yesterday with total ease, and everything that brings up times a godzillion? I now destroy and uncreate it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, pock, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Maybe we'll just do it once. Have you guys been asking this question for the last few days? I hope you have. So anyways, I don't know, maybe I'll throw a few more of them out there as we go, but let's get started. So I want to first just tell you what each, so first of all, we have, it's a full aura repair. So we're putting crystals in our root chakra, aura, the sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown. And so there are four red stones in a diamond shape around your entire body. And so if you want now, all you have to do is say, I am willing to receive, and the energy will start flowing. So we are going to start flowing energy your way as I read. So by the law of correspondence, may this person here represent each and every one of you who wishes to receive healing now and in the future. You can come back to this anytime. And asking that we invite in any guides and angels who wish to contribute to the health and well-being of our bodies, inviting them in now. Any beings who do not wish to contribute, you gotta go. Bye-bye. Clearing out those energies. And if you like, we can place opalescent white light around our home to keep the energy clean and clear as we receive healing energy now. So tuning in to the four spots on your body below your feet, above your head, and at your hips. Red is the color of passion, love, relationships, vitality, and courage. And our root chakra represents the way in which we feel safe and provided for. It relates to our basic needs, food, shelter, and protection. It grounds us to the earth and connects us to our physical body. And it's placed in a diamond shape around your body, which focuses healing energy represents balance, as above, so below. Allowing these energies into your bodies now. And then moving out to your sacral chakra, we have 6 carnelian stones around your body in a rectangle shape. Orange is ambition and creative joy, energy, strength, attraction, and stimulation. So allowing these energies to permeate into your energy field now. Our sacral chakra represents issues related to creativity, sexuality, reproduction, as well as dependency. And the focus at this chakra is our relationship with others. And now moving out into your solar plexus area, and there are 8 citrine crystals surrounding your entire body. Yellow brings in confidence, bringing plans into action, intelligence, mental clarity, and the power of the mind. Our solar plexus represents how we feel empowered or without power in our lives. It is here where we focus on our relationship with ourself, self-esteem, ego, and personality. And now moving out even further, moving your awareness out into your heart chakra, auric space. We have both green and pink crystals here representing the male and the female, bringing in balance. Green is for growth, abundance, prosperity, health, and success. Pink is for emotional well-being, joy, compassion, and self-love. Our heart chakra is the center of emotional power. It represents love and compassion and listening to our feelings for guidance. And it's in a circle for completion, wholeness, and dreams. Good morning, Erin. We're just getting started with a full auric healing energy session. The energy is now flowing towards you. All you gotta do is say, I am willing to receive, and the energy will start flowing your way. So moving out to our throat chakra auric space, we have 16 blue lace agates surrounding our entire body. This is what it looks like. So we're moving out, and we got 16 blue lace agates in around our bodies. And blue, light blue, is good for inspiration and truth seeking. You are willing to receive. Yay, I'm so glad. Me too. I'm going to go lay down actually after this healing session and receive it after. So our throat chakra relates to issues of communication or lack thereof, and the way in which we speak our truth. So allowing all of these crystals to absorb into your energy field, and may your body receive these energies in whatever way it requires. Then we have 2 Lapis Lazuli crystals, one at each side of the third eye, going in. Indigo is the color for peace, patience, and truth and justice. Our third eye chakra represents our intuitive gifts and our integrity in taking responsibility for our own actions. It is our center of intuition and soul knowledge, and it is at this chakra that we have the ability to visualize and manifest. And then finally, we have at our very crown, we have charoite. I used a charoite crystal this morning for spiritual awareness and wisdom. And our crown chakra represents our spirituality in the way in which we understand ourselves. It is at this chakra of enlightenment and spiritual connection to our higher selves and the divine. So now that we have, I believe there are about 52 crystals surrounding your body. So just take a moment. Maybe you want to thump your thymus, draining all of your thought energies, asking that the earth melt down all your barriers. And so for this next 20 minutes, we're going to be doing a guided meditation. And all I ask of you is to receive in whatever way works for you. If you fall asleep, that's totally normal. That's totally cool. Just allow your body to receive any sensations, however it requires. And let's get started. And if the sound is wacky, please just let me know. Otherwise, we will get started.
Time to practice the spiral sweep. Feel, sense, imagine or think about golden energy spinning around your feet in a clockwise motion. Allow this energy to permeate the soles of your feet. The mineral composition of your bones makes the skeleton a good conductor of this refined energy. Now, bone by bone, direct this golden energy through your skeletal system. Direct the energy through the bones in your toes, all the bones in your feet, your ankles, up to your knees, your kneecaps, and through the bones in your thighs. Direct the energy through your hip bones and down to your coccyx or tailbone, up the sacrum, and now up through your spine. Bathe each of the vertebrae with this golden energy. Direct the energy to flow through the bones in your shoulders and shoulder blades, down through your breastbone and around your ribs. Direct the golden energy down through the bones in your arms and to your wrists, and to all the little bones in your hands and fingers. Now place your attention and the energy through the bones in your neck, around your jaw, through your teeth, and your entire skull. You have just bathed your entire skeletal system with golden energy. Allow the feeling or the sensation or the image of radiating a golden glow throughout the bones in your body to flow. Breathe deeply and relax. Now let's direct the energy through your brain. Place your attention within your sacred brain. And give the intent for your brain to absorb this energy. Begin with the cortex, the gray matter covering the top of your brain. Directly beneath the gray matter is the white matter, this largest portion of your brain. Allow this white matter of your brain to absorb the golden energy like a sponge. your consciousness will balance the field of this golden energy through both sides of your brain. One of the functions of the white matter is to assist with all extrasensory perceptions. Focus your attention between your eyebrows, a little higher and about an inch into your brain. Here you will locate the pituitary, a small pear-shaped gland. Direct the golden energy to completely surround this little gland, and then give the intent for this energy to be completely absorbed. As you channel the energy through this gland, give the intent to activate the hormonal changes in your body that are appropriate for you as you take your next evolutionary step. The pituitary is the first point of contact energetically connected to the pineal gland. Now place your attention in the center of your brain. This area is sometimes referred to as the sacred chamber, and here you will find your pineal gland. It is a small kidney bean-shaped gland. Now you will direct the golden energy to surround your pineal gland, and then give the intent for this gland to absorb all the energy it can. You will also find in this area of the brain the hypothalamus and thalamus. Your thalamus is a fan-shaped organ composed of gray matter marbled with white matter. The two sections of your thalamus are located in the two hemispheres of your brain. And the thalamus is responsible for the power of visualization you are using right now. Visualize or imagine a golden butterfly as your thalamus radiates a golden glow. Give the intent to intensify the expression of your sacred nature. Bring your attention to the back of your head. Place your focus within the base of your brain, and located here is an egg-shaped organ called the pons. Imagine this egg-shaped organ, your pons, to be completely glowing gold. And finally, with strong intent, direct this golden energy all the way down through your spinal cord. You have just energized your brain. Breathe deep and relax. Now I will ask you to refocus your attention and begin to guide the golden energy downward through your endocrine system. First, focus the golden energy within your parathyroid and thyroid glands in your lower throat area. Give the intent for the golden energy to be completely absorbed and infused into these glands. Above your heart center, beneath your breastbone, is the Thymus Gland. This energy center associated with your Thymus Gland is called the high heart center. This gland and the energy of this area are an important point of origin for the radiating of the golden energy within your physical body. The intensification of the energy radiating from the high heart center is one of the keys to the powerful expression of our electrical spiritual nature. As we increase our ability to express this electrical energy, we can then accelerate the healing process when the body has gone out of balance. It is in our best interest that we stimulate this entire area. Direct the golden energy to circle your thymus and be completely absorbed. Intensify your intention, and as the thymus fills with golden energy, it will reach a point of fullness and then radiate golden energy throughout the cells of the entire heart area. Visualize your entire heart area radiating a golden glow. Place your attention on your heart muscle. The heart is not part of the endocrine system. However, the pericardium, a sac that surrounds the heart, may fill with a few precious drops of hormonal fluid. This fluid will contribute to the increased radiating of your heart energy. And so give the intent to fill your heart with the golden energy of evolution and love. Breathe. To the left of the navel is the pancreas. And as we stimulate this organ with golden energy, give the intent to strengthen your ability to continue to digest and assimilate the energetic changes that are taking place within your entire being. Now place your attention in the lower back on the adrenal glands. The adrenals are atop the kidneys. Use the golden light and give the intent to completely regenerate your adrenal glands. Directing your attention further down through the body, focus within the sexual glands, the ovaries or testes, and hold the golden energy within this part of your body. Enlightenment is for every cell of your body, including those cells beneath the waist. Breathe. Direct the energy down through your hips, your thighs, your calves, and soles of your feet. The physical body has now been energized. Breathe deep and relax. Now we're going to direct the energy around the feet. The energy now swirls clockwise around your feet and creates a strong grounding effect, strengthening the grounding effect with the understanding of how important it is to have a deep relationship with the energy of the earth is an important energetic pattern at this time. This sacred grounding contributes to our ability to hold the higher energies that are now available to us. The vibrational frequency of the energy changes, and it begins to gently rise up through the field as a concentrated golden ray of light and energy. We will direct this golden ray through each of the energy vortexes associated with the glandular system. The change in the energy can sometimes be noted as a change in temperature or a tingling sensation as you begin to direct the energy up through the vortex of the feet and through the energy of the legs and to the base of your spine. Place your attention at the base of your spine and feel, sense, imagine, or think about a glowing sphere of red vital energy at the base of your spine. As the golden ray gently enters this sphere, a beautiful pattern like a golden starburst begins to form and radiates in all directions. Give the intent to bless, strengthen, and balance the energy center at the base of your spine. As you do this, you create the sacred foundations within your being that are needed as you continue to integrate the energy of your divine nature. The ray of golden light rises to the next energy center, and this is the sexual creative center. Focus your attention within your orange sphere of creativity. The golden light radiates throughout this orange sphere once again in a starburst pattern. Give the intent to be mindful of how you express your sexual energy, for your sexual energy is part of your vital force and can be directed to facilitate your evolution. This area is also your seat of creativity. Encourage the flow of energy from here to enhance your co-creative efforts in life. Give the intent to bless, strengthen, and balance this center, and breathe. Now the golden ray of energy moves upward, and direct this energy to enter the yellow sphere of your solar plexus. As the golden energy resonates within this area, you may feel, sense, imagine or think about a pattern that looks like a sunflower. Remember, the solar plexus is also known as the seat of the subconscious, and all the facets of the sparkling sunflower image are a reminder of all the facets of you. Breathe deeply, and once again, give yourself permission to be. Now direct your attention and the golden ray of energy higher into the beautiful emerald green of your heart. Sense the energy bursting into a beautiful kaleidoscope of gold and green energy and pulsing in complex patterns. Each one of us is an expression of the original piece of the Creator in our heart, and together we create the one. Place your attention above the heart in the area of the thymus. This area we refer to as the high heart area. Here you will find a concentration of the golden light. Give the intent for this golden light to intensify even more. You may feel the warmth and fullness of your heart as the unique light pattern of your heart energy unfolds. As you feel or sense the balance within your heart, nurture yourself with this love first, and then radiate the love outwards. And breathe. As the energy of love continues to radiate outward, direct the golden ray upward and into the blue of your throat center. This center is a special gateway. It is the place where the as above, so below energy merges and translates into usable power. This is the center for the expression of your piece of the truth. Remember the power of the spoken word. Strive to speak words of truth only, in even the smallest of matters. Allow the energy to polish how you express yourself to the world. You may turn your head slowly from side to side as you work the energy through your throat area. You are almost finished with this exercise, so take a deep breath and refocus your attention. Concentrate and direct the ray of golden energy up through the center of your brain. From the pineal within the center of the brain to the pituitary near the center of the forehead is the area known as the third eye. Here the energy is indigo in color. As the golden ray gently pierces, radiates through this majestic indigo center, the light patterns resemble a multifaceted jewel. Give the intent to deepen your wisdom and increase your understanding. You may contemplate What does it mean to think with your heart and to feel with your mind? This area is also associated with telepathy, the sixth sense we are now developing at an accelerating pace. Breathe again and relax. Refocus and increase your attention as you direct the golden light up through your crown center. As the golden energy gently swirls around the top of your head, your unique pattern of light, like a halo, forms. There is an energy pattern of union. The golden energy of your human nature merges with the purity of your divine nature. Enjoy this pattern of union. Now I will ask you to breathe in deeply through your nose and hold your breath for a moment and let the energy build. And then I will ask you to breathe out through your mouth. So now breathe in deep. Hold your breath for a moment. And now breathe out through your mouth, all the way through. And as you breathe out, visualize a fountain of colorful energy rising up and out of your head and spiraling down, around, and throughout your entire being. This movement strengthens your lattice and deepens your connection with the energy of the earth. Take a few moments to enjoy, and you may even feel a sense of being home. And so it is.
Just lay here as long as you like. Maybe stretch your body. I do apologize for the beeping in the background. We got quite a bit of snow here last night. So come back to this video anytime you like. And if the noise is too much, you can even just mute this video and put on your own relaxing music and receive this as often as you like. It's like working through your entire energy field, just releasing maybe any stress or tension that you've picked up in the last few days over the holiday season. So I only did asked our question one time today, but please feel free to do it some more. Yay for snow. Oh, you're so welcome. I know the snow looks like it's amazing. It's so pretty here. We got a ton of snow. So thank you, you guys. Thank you for being here, and thank you for allowing yourself to receive this healing energy. And I will be back on here tomorrow for our regular 30-day question. Enjoy your day, and we will see you again. Bye.